When it comes to COVID-19 vaccine, almost everyone gets concerned about some numbers and figures, categorizing them as super high efficacy vaccines such as Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna, and low efficacy vaccines like Johnson & Johnson. But what are these percentages indeed? In fact, these percentages, known as efficacy rate, have been resulted from clinical trials conducted by manufacturing companies. To develop a vaccine, a large number of volunteers are gathered together to create a large sample resembling an actual society for the clinical trial. This is to make sure that the trial includes people from different age groups and health conditions to make its findings reliable enough. Let's imagine that 20,000 people are participating in the clinical trial. They are divided into two groups of 10,000, one receiving the vaccine, the other getting the placebo, and after a while, 120 of them contract COVID-19. How is the efficacy rate calculated out of this? Here are some examples. If all the infected cases belong to the placebo group, the vaccine efficacy rate is interpreted as 100%. However, if half of them are from the vaccinated group and the other half are the ones who receive the placebo, the efficacy of the vaccine is calculated as 0%. Also, if only 5 of the vaccinated people contract COVID-19 and the other 115 infected cases belong to the placebo group, the efficacy of the vaccine is introduced as 95.6%. But how important is it to consider these rates? The truth is that the efficacy of a vaccine depends on a number of factors, but 2 of them are: 1. Which virus variant was dominant? Some trials took place when the Chinese variant of coronavirus was viral, while others might have happened when the mutated strains emerged. 2. When the trial took place. Some trials took place when there were fewer COVID-19 confirmed cases per day, while others probably happened during peaks. Important to know that the FDA and WHO both have insisted that they will approve of a vaccine only if it can prevent COVID-19 by at least 50%. So, all approved vaccines are safe and efficacious. Let's not forget that without vaccination, people might die or suffer from severe symptoms of COVID-19 on hospital beds, while receiving an approved vaccine can guarantee their lives and minimize the pain to a great extent. So, it's good to care about the efficacy rate, but what matters more is to get vaccinated as soon as possible.